Hello everyone, let's see how to make a delicious Chinese stir fry noodles. Very easy method with some easy tips and tricks. Little bit of sesame oil, and I'm going to add the vegetables, purple cabbage, onions, bell pepper and carrots. Just toss it like this to stir fry. So you have to do it in a very high flame. Keep the stove in the high flame and toss like this. Toss it, or you can do like this. So in this, let's add a liquid smoke for smoky flavor. It's very important. Add some 5-10 drops of liquid smoke and add just 1 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce. Spray some pepper, add a very little bit of salt, everything in a high flame. So you have to keep the stove in the high flame and keep tossing it. The vegetables should be only partially cooked, and it should be like this. It should not be watery, so keep an eye on it. It should be only partially cooked. Okay, the vegetables are partially cooked, and see here with a fantastic smoky flavor. So in this, I am going to add the already cooked stir fry noodles. This I have already shown a video how to make a noodles, the same process. So I have already cooked a vegetable stir fry noodles with some masala and some smoky flavor drops with some salt and pepper. So I am going to add this, and I am going to take it like this. So all the noodles have the same smoky flavor. Add some more and stir fry this. It's a Chinese stir fry smoky noodles, just in Panda Express. It's very tasty. I add some extra vegetables and I added all the remaining noodles and toss it like this. It's a very fast process. You should do only in the very high flame. So I already added salt and pepper. So vegetable stir fry noodles is ready. See here. So I can show you. So the vegetable stir fry Chinese noodle is ready to serve. Serve with tomato ketchup. It's very delicious to eat. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes.